Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Today we're going to look into another type of attack. This is more focused on Windows operating system. How we can escalate privilege to an administrator on the Windows operating system by dumping the SAM database, which is called Security Account Manager, where passwords are stored in hash within the Windows operating system. So it's very simple technique, and I believe a lot of us must have seen or read something like this before, or must have even performed it on your. But then we can just feel like it's people who are still very much new into the penetration testing field. This will be very helpful for them to understand much better how to perform this attack and how this attack works. So before diving into the demonstration part, I would like to talk just briefly on what this attack is and how it's been utilized, how attacker can utilize this to escalate privilege of the system. So security account manager, also known as SAM database, is where password are stored in hash for local user accounts. So attacker use this method to obtain hashed password of the local user accounts within the operating system or within the Windows operating system. So the SAM database for hash version of user password, and most probably is a key target for attacker, aiming to escalate privilege or gain access to a system. So that is what SAM is, and that is how the attacker can abuse this privilege and just to use that to access to accounts on the system. So before we move into the demonstration part, let me just tell you the detailed steps on how you can attack this SAM database. First, you have to get access to the system. Probably the attacker needs to gain a local administrator privilege on the system. Also, this can be achieved through different method like exploiting vulnerabilities, phishing attack, and all other type of technique. Then the next thing is to extract the SAM database. So once the administrator access is obtained, the attacker extract the SAM database. What we're going to look into is we're going to copy the SAM system file, the system and the security file within the Windows operating system, which is basically on the system directory config directory. So we're going to use registry to inbuilt tool that is present on Windows system to do that. And also we extract this, we're going to transfer it to attacking machine. And from there, we're going to use security dump to dump these hashes up there. You can now crack these hashes offline. You can use crack station, for example, to kind of help us to crack this hash. That is how the attack, or let me say, the steps to compromise the SAM database looks like. So without wasting much time, let's just dive into the demonstration part of it. I'm going to share my screen and can get it started now. So this command I'm going to use is this. Then quickly I'm going to start with that. I want to save copy onto the C drive. It's going to be sound, let's see. So the operation was successful. I'm going to copy the same command. I've just changed it and copy this heading. Restart system. I'm securing this as slow. Good. Then the last part is the system. So we have successfully copied it. If you try to run this now, you can see these are all the files in the SAM database that we've copied successfully. So the next thing is to transfer it to my attacking system to be able to crack it, to be able to dump these credentials on my attacking system. So I'm going to use SCP to do that. What I should be able to do everything at once. Let's see. Instead, let's zero on that security seal. Let's zero. Again, into my time. Let's go like 2.168. 12.1 and where we save it to bars something the document right. Yeah, I think before that I need to start the SSH on the backend system. So the system, yeah, I'm going to start this first. So I should be working now. Let's check the status. Okay, it's active now. So now we should be able to transfer this. Let's see. Good. So here we're able to transfer all the 3 files. So let's go navigate to the documents directory. Good. We have all the 3 files now. So the next thing is to dump this with secret dumping packets. So I'm going to copy the command on my notes on the side here. So this is the command we're going to use. We're going to use secret dump. So let's sound the secret dump of the system. So as you can see, we're able to dump the credential on the system, especially the administrator hash. Yeah. So the next thing to do now is to crack this hash. We need to use let's use Backstation. Just going to copy these compartments. For crack it using Crackstation. See the bottom and that station. So we're going to paste the hash here. So we're able to crack the HTML hash and use the password for the administrator. So now we can use this password to log in remotely as an administrator to the machine. So that is how this attack works. And I believe we've learned something. It's kind of very straightforward and direct, but it's also a very cool technique we need to understand, and it comes handy when we are doing penetration testing and we have an administrator privilege. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to the comments, and I will also see your comments on my next video. Thank you.